And welcome back to Creativerse. Can you believe it? He's still bouncing up and down there. It's like a week later. It, it's obviously a game that never gets old. Anyway, I've been doing some experiments. You can see I've finished the wall off around this level. But I've been building some other stuff and doing some experiments. I wanted to create a waterfall for each type of liquid in the game. So I got standard water, mineral water, and then I got bog water. But you see, I've had to put flame underneath the water source at the top here because it kept freezing. The other water's fine, but the bog water just kept freezing. So I've had to put some fire pots up under the sources to keep it warm so it keeps flowing. But that gave me an idea, because I've been wondering what material to use to put a roof over the top here and what sort of format it should go with. And then I thought, why don't I make a roof of ice? But of course, that led me to this device over here, which I'll take you over and have a look. So you can see I've created a bed of snow here, and I've got fire pots at the top there. So let's just take a wander up there and show you what I've got in there. So in the middle there, I've got some of this bog water, which freezes really easily. Alright, so, and this is a phaser block, which can make blocks disappear. So now what I do, this isn't perfect by the way, but if I hit this switch, it fires the phaser, the bog water starts dropping down, spreads out a bit. Let's just give it a chance to fully spread out. There. Obviously it's not in the center either, but now I turn off the switch. That closes the hole up there. Still thinking about it. Whoa, I got splashage. Never mind. Let's see if it freezes. No. So I've now got a way of manufacturing ice. I could ramp up the production here. You know, I could make, you know, a whole line of these across here, but I haven't really got room up here because I want to leave the space in the middle open for other projects. But now what I can do is harvest this ice. Slowly. Harvest this ice slowly. But now what I can do is start building a ceiling or a roof over this area made of ice, because I've now got effectively an endless supply of ice. And I'm thinking I'll just make it a very sort of mountain top look. So it won't be even, it won't be, you know, a normal vaulted roof. It'll actually, he's still going at it. Day and night. Crazy fella. So it'll end up looking like a icy mountain top. At least that's what I hope. So that's what I'm gonna try. Bad guys. Of course it's night time. The bad guys come out. Don't mind all these Rambos around, but those mirrors. You see, I put the lights up there to stop them appearing. I don't like that. They still appear. There's only one thing to do. Sleep through the night. And they'll all burn up. There they go, burning up in the daylight. That's much better. And safer. So I'm going to start collecting lots of ice. I may temporarily make a much larger ice factory, just so I can do it all at once rather than muck about by keep turning the switch on and off. But I think I've got the material I'm going to use on the roof now. So I just thought I'd show you that. I'll see you next time. Bye.